Hi, I'm CEO and co-founder of Loopteam. We are focused on building a virtual office for distributed teams. We are trying to bring the best parts of a physical office into a virtual world, and only the best parts, the parts that you miss, the parts that many of us are experiencing over these past 7 months when we've either been in lockdown, working from home, or shelter in place, or whatever it might be. There are things that we miss, and those are the things that we are trying to solve for. The way we try to solve this problem is we looked at the day in the life of somebody physically in an office. When you're there, you get a lot of cues. You can kind of see who's around, who's available, who's busy, what people are doing, what people are working on. And if you want to communicate and collaborate, you can simply just shoulder tap. You can go and talk to someone. You can ask a question. You can look over and say, oh, so-and-so has their headphones on right now. Probably not the best time to ask a question. Much of these cues are lost in a virtual environment. So we focus on providing really deep presence. And through that sense of presence, you get better context, but it also invites more opportunity to connect. And we have seen through data, and we've seen through our usage and through others, that the more that we can get a team to communicate and connect, the more connected they feel. Real time is obviously very important. As mentioned, we have to drive communication. And so Agora was the provider that we had decided to use for that. Arriving at this decision wasn't just a straightforward sort of conclusion. We did evaluate vendors. We looked at the breadth of sort of APIs, the platforms that we wanted to support, the scale, the infrastructure that was in place. And Agora was the partner that we decided to work with and are happy with in enabling the Loopteam experience.